Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create various type of chart in Google Sheets mobile. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a table and we're going to make a chart from this table. So the first thing we have to do is we can select the table like this and make sure that you select the whole part of the table, and after that we can click on this check mark button, the plus button. Then we can tap on chart since we want to create a chart, and now the chart has been created. And if we want to change the type of the chart, we just need to click on type right here, then select the type of the chart that you want. And for example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and we can go back to the previous section, and I'm going to create another chart with different types. So I'm just gonna copy this chart, so just double click on the chart, okay, until this option appear on your screen, then click on copy, and I'm going to paste the chart right here. So just tap and hold, and then tap and hold on the screen, then you can click on paste. Okay, and I'm going to change the type of the chart. We can tap on the chart and then we can click on edit button, then just tap on type, then I'm going to select this one. Okay, and after that we can click on the check mark button. Okay, and if you want to create another type of the chart, you just need to follow the step that I have told you before. Okay guys, and that's how we can create various type of the chart in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.